Asem yidiko, asem yidika.
Inna beka.
Akwesi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano said it.
Catch us a becan said the city, young Fabin car, you be soon from near. Young Fabin soon wafwa home. Yet no credio boni dinner bay, you may did akwesi insia, semi de cabrena, Edrusi. Quick about mammy, Amania Paul, senior high school, Rantiana, Kwesi Akanment. So on your screen, a year. Rantia may know which na Amaniampon, senior high school. As an old student of Kontonchi, Obuanye Kuma, Nanda. So Benedict appear kusi, and Nicholas. Yadamunya Mase, Yamin Shramo. Alfefedia, and Tia, Wodiama Amaniampon, senior high school. For fighting to semi-finals, Enyade Ketwa. So on behalf of the former Chief Justice, Ora Justice Kwesi Eni Yabua, and all Amosa members, former Amaniampong, Old Student Association, Yina Yese Yamamutrimkwa. Moya de Mwapko and Kodin Ashe school ned munyam. The ultimate was the win. But he said to me, be a friend, be a babedry, any soccer king. So Benedict appear and a Nicholas. We say congrats. Congrats, guys. Moya de congrats. Nyako Ponchramo. No yam Kasiku is Semba Kasepa. Yan talk also tie school nechi. Neighbor school na candy sefata. The school meeting up him aquadim at Chensing. So we're still on this issue of NAIMOS for attack Ahafo Hwediem. My whole statement be applied for about my first statement, statement from the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. Yeah, to ya buying pen for it to their phone. So this statement is signed by the Media Relations Officer and it collaborates and run Komoya the spokesperson to the minister, ADN Waka said, Abano pen for 8 yet to Asem ya yemu eyushemu. Now, I'm pleased for statement, Ghana Police Service, so Mammy Grace Akrofi, and so the statement, and so a buy. Yeah, so actually, please for, because or more less how incident, call Edifa Patman, please for Ghana Police Service for statement, Also, let's how more incident, ACA, any animal to a Ghana Police Service to a found. Ya see ya say, ya see a jar seminal Ediama CID4, Sir Police CID, and Yasemo Eshemu. Now, Adiba could be actually margin. In all this conversation, Adiba could be actually margin. The presidency woman, the Ghana Police Service, and so a woman. But first one, Patroma me, the DCE for Asutifi South, the picture no. Now, this is the DC for Asutifi South. Yeah, or that yedna to otivi so. Papa na ye abanam sini ewo Asutifi South. Baby a Asem no esi ya ye kan wasem nyina. Ne di the honorable Asibil Donko Benjamin. So in all this situation, as one bisa ni say, DC no ya aware say galamsey koso wo sa area ho ana. Oba office da ben. And I'm on to be what me to Edia Fahon. Because Utie and someone NAIMOS. Emi aye aware na. Eyomuna trouble who say Mranteni Shem eye galamsey. Na DC ni pen for no eye aware na. And now no make cancer way and na president another down Kokufuado. And I'm still repeating it today. The way as Yama Kwai Ama your DCs Libino, a compromise you in this fight against Galamseno, and ye pay you. Yes, I see people crucifying the members of parliament, both Asutifi North, Asutifi South. But I ask myself, say, Assembly C, OP District, and this is the man. You see His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Anemu. Why you aware say galamsey because wana? Mami happy FM online a for story no. Let us what the Minister for Local Government aka about this is or galamsey ekosomu area. Now, this is a story happy for online. Publish here. Was a fight against Galamsey. The price of failure for MMDCs is dismissal. Ahmed Ibrahim. So Asem kesi we nyina sie no mos obie as ye DC e film say as a cross me edampine the DC e wo questions are also ya no yet me nyamfa ngu MPs ne nko aso MP bia no betimi akomande the District Security Council Bambo ewo mensim no ehye abanam sini no ensa eye den na NAIMOS na free crime etutom wa bedu hwediem ansa ne yehu se mrante be hye kwai bletom eye Galamsey mam dis ni picture be na dis ni to ye dey Mr. President Honorable Local Government Minister DCE na ne ko Asutifi South no na otwo ye dey na djuma pate pa ne sen ye to be na to ka free crime yo should the distance from crime to Hwediem DCE to Hwediem well ayedi as a BBNC police etina bi say police commander at Hwediem well who that was asking say the NAIMOS still na so no come Hwediem please for no so nyom dey NAIMOS for me sabo mo che mrantie me na mo come Hwediem please for mo so nyom dey it is clear said the DC and the police commander are compromise your mo we don't need a suit say to say this and we be ko sa na bibia nsi na twem na DC afa no wadi no odi ne DC no obi anka no hwe yes ye fight Galamsey no maka to say sabi we are sick if this DC se president one for na scapegoat in a fight against Galamsey I'm telling you you can't fight it so one for Asutifi South DC no and setting as a scapegoat. Say DC yatna say, I'm a NAIMOS na free crime. Abatu Galamsey for on the district there. He don't deserve to be there. He's incompetent, he's clueless, he has compromised himself. He should be sacked. IGP, the police commander also free one. The police commander know what she no also free one. They're incompetent. They are clueless. They don't deserve the position now. I'm occupying. No. How much were they? Ni asaba ni asa pesca say. Yes, I for my NAIMOS. Esanko. I go fight Galamsey. Talk of phone no. Have your fault na say. Fan pese won't to us me dey akwesi nsia. Asem ni kani. Macro.